and welcome to a new episode of my vlog. Today we are at Lindau at the Bodensee, still at Bodensee, and yeah, it's really nice weather, so let's check out this location. So let's walk to a location where I can fly my drone. So I just walked there and flew my drone. That was really thrilling because the wind got stronger and stronger, and it was drifting all the time, so I had to cancel my flight. But I guess I have some awesome shots. By the way, this is the hotel we stayed last night. That was, I think, quite nice. It seems to be the nicest hotel on the island, but I think it's in its age, in its golden days. Time is by. Very old and dusty, but very nice bath. No, not bath. Very nice pool. So actually from this side of the bay it's much easier to do pictures where you can see all these three buildings. So yeah, you better come on this side as well. To go up it's just €2.10 per person, so it's really nice cheap. Let's go up. This is so tight. Oh my god. Oh, finally. Pretty high. I think from all the places we visited around the Bodensee, this is my favorite. It's easy for walking, there are loads of places to look at, and the scenery is astonishing. So you can take loads of pictures and videos, whatever you like. Restaurants, hotels, all are here, and you even can take boats. So you should definitely give it a visit. Thumbs up. So this is the end of my vlog. I think Lindau is a really beautiful place. You should definitely come here to check it out. Better come when it's nice weather, because it's definitely worth just because of these views. Yeah. If you like this video, please leave me a like, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe down below. Hit that button. Yeah, and see you next time. Bye.